quick warning: babies do not play with fidget spinners. Just me for caution. So, babies, please do not play with fidget spinners. They're dangerous for you. Because on this video, this kid, his eye got took out by a fidget spinner. Don't ask what top I'm wearing, cause Man United. Bye. Actually, no. Bye. Bye. No. Puppy. My light bulb's broken. Go and see. See them. Look. See? It's broken. Oh, Gareth. Babies don't play with these. You're not allowed them till like 4. Jesse, stop it.
Banana, eat my bananas, my Milowski.